Are you tired of giving the same old gifts like wine or flowers? Why not give something that grows with love and lasts for years? Today, we're revealing the top 11 houseplants that make the perfect, thoughtful gifts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plant to choose for any occasion, whether it's a housewarming, an anniversary, or just a kind gesture. When it comes to gift giving, houseplants are a thoughtful, long-lasting alternative to traditional presents. They're not just gifts, they're living reminders of friendship, love, and prosperity. They offer a breath of fresh air, quite literally, and can brighten up any living space. Let's embark on a journey through the world of houseplants. We'll discover 11 varieties that make wonderful gifts. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Houseplantslove community if you haven't already. We'll highlight options that are not only easy to care for, but also complement different living spaces and styles. And for those of you with furry friends at home, we've got you covered with pet-safe choices too. Stick around till the end. I've got a few extra tips coming up in the middle of the video that you won't want to miss. Now, let's delve into the world of green gifting with our first plant, the Monstera. This houseplant is a favorite among plant enthusiasts for its distinctive, eye-catching foliage. Often referred to as the Swiss cheese plant, the Monstera's large leaves with natural holes add a touch of creativity to any space. Next up, we have the snake plant. This plant is perfect for those just starting their indoor gardening journey. It's almost indestructible and brings a modern architectural look to any room. If you want to learn about snake plant care, grow and propagation tips, you can check out our video link in I button and end of the video. The rubber plant is our third house plant. With its deep dark leaves, it's an elegant addition to any indoor garden. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Our fourth plant, the Jade plant, is also known as the money plant or friendship tree. It's a slow-growing succulent that symbolizes growth, prosperity, and renewal. If you want to know about succulent care tips and tricks, you can check out our previous video link in I button and end of the video. Moving on to the fifth plant, the Triostar Stromanthe. This plant's vibrant variegation makes it a stunning centerpiece in any indoor garden. To add a personal touch to your gift for any plant, consider potting the plant in a decorative container that suits the recipient's home decor. Next, we have the peace lily. This plant is cherished for its elegant white blooms and glossy green foliage. It's a symbol of peace, hope, and sympathy, making it a meaningful gift for someone going through a tough time. With its unique leaf patterns, Calathea symbolizes new beginnings, making it a perfect gift for anyone embarking on a new chapter, whether it's a new job or home. Next is prayer plant. This plant symbolizes gratitude and appreciation. Its unique feature? At night, its leaves fold together, resembling hands in prayer, making it a comforting gift for someone in need of support. Known for its coin-shaped leaves, the Chinese money plant is a symbol of prosperity and wealth. It's also called the friendship plant because it produces offshoots or pups that can be shared with friends, strengthening bonds. Next is ZZ plant. This low-maintenance plant is perfect for beginners or busy individuals. It thrives in low light and needs minimal watering, making it ideal for home or office spaces. It's also known as the eternity plant, symbolizing good fortune. You can also check the video about low-light indoor houseplants. Link in I button and end of the video. Compact, cute, and pet-friendly, the zebra Haworthia is an easy-to-care-for succulent with thick, fleshy leaves adorned with white bands. It's perfect for small spaces and adds a stylish touch to any decor. Houseplants make thoughtful, lasting gifts. If you want to know about plants perfect for Christmas and New Year gifts, you can check our previous video link in I button and end of the video. They offer a breath of fresh air, quite literally, and can brighten up any living space. Whether you're celebrating a housewarming, an anniversary, or just looking for a perfect gift for a friend, consider giving a houseplant. It's a gift that grows with love and lasts for years. Thank you for watching our video on houseplants that make perfect gifts. We hope you found it helpful and maybe even discovered your new favorite plant. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more green gifting ideas. We'd love to hear from you too. Tell us in the comments section below which houseplant from this video you'd love to give or receive as a gift. Remember, the best gift is one that grows with love. Happy gifting!